Sometimes when we work with not skilled teams in IT, they don't have order and they make typing errors like this one or this one. We need to compare those lists. So we are going to use Fuzzy Lookup as a tool to compare both lists from zero. Let's start and let's find the solution. The first thing that you need to do is transform this into a table. So we press Ctrl T and transform the first list. And after that, we are going to go to the second list and transform it into the second table. Now we have an organized structure. As you can see, you can go from, just 1 second. Okay, you can go from a list and list B. Now we are going to use a special tool that is called Fuzzy Lookup, and we are going to select the product name and the correct product name, and we are going to compare them by using a join. And we want the stat match as much as possible, and this one is a tolerance. So we are going to select 48%, and now we press go. As you can see, it compares the right name with the wrong name. Well, with the name that was written in the list A, list A. And this is how you can compare, because if you just look up, this doesn't work, because it's not exactly the same. So this can be an option for messy data to compare, and it's very helpful.